Hi everyone, thank you for joining me, Amber Bach, for my Week 7 presentation for MPA 560, Dr. Sundram and Professor Bauer's class. My program is the Anti-Recidivism Coalition. It is a Los Angeles-based nonprofit organization that helps to provide support services to incarcerated and formerly incarcerated individuals to prevent recidivism. So the qualitative questions that I could ask would be, what is it like to be a formerly incarcerated individual? And elaborating on that, like, how is it more difficult? What are the situations that you face? To that effect. And then also, if you have gone back to prison, what was the cause or reason that you recidivated, and what do you believe can help prevent it from happening again? Like, do these support services actually help you from coming back to prison? So the methods I could utilize would be ethnography or an ethnographic study. So I could essentially immerse myself in the support services, because the Anti-Recidivism Coalition allows people who have never been incarcerated before to assist in the support services. So I could just go in and observe and see how they interact in the culture of the support services and the Anti-Recidivism Coalition and how they work. And then also I could utilize case study, which is obtaining information via different avenues, such as individual interviews. There could even be focus group interviews. I would probably focus on an individual interview, because as in the videos provided this week, individual interviews are for sensitive information. So in this sort of situation where I'm asking someone about being a formerly incarcerated person, and I might have to go into detail about what type of crime did they commit, that's sensitive information that could be skewed if this were in a focused group setting and with 6 to 8 other people, and they might not feel comfortable saying it in front of others, and that could skew the results. And then also utilizing books, text analysis, documents as well as part of the case study. So how I would obtain, I've touched on that in that last slide, but conducting interviews, asking those sensitive questions to get as accurate information as I can to help the results be as correct as possible. A text analysis, I could look up research that has been done in articles published by peers, books, scientific journals, and analyze that as well to see if that's consistent with my observations and my interviews. And then I just gave that away, but observations as well. Like in the ethnographic study, I would be observing the behavior. The only thing that I could see being a problem with observations is, as we had talked about in prior courses, the Hawthorne effect. When people know they are being watched, they adjust their behavior. So that is one possibility that could skew the observations and possible qualitative results, is the Hawthorne effect. And then the reliability and validity concerns. The only concerns I have is that this is a very Hollywood-backed program, so they might want to skew the results in a more positive manner, or make it seem like they're affecting more people than they actually are, just because they do have such powerful people believing in them and backing them, that they want to show success. Alrighty, thank you so much, folks, for watching my presentation. I really appreciate your time and cannot wait to watch yours.